Hello, this is John Wright at MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. Today we're going to take a look at a new 2019 Boston Whaler 210 Montauk. Let me give you a little spec information about the boat first. The boat is 21 foot 4 inch overall with a beam of 8 foot 6 inches and a draft of about 14 inches for the hull only. We'll start here on the transom. As you'll see, we've got a new teak swim platform as well as the teak accents on the gunnel. This boat is equipped with the legendary Mercury 150. You have rod holders across the transom, 4 across the back. One of the nice features on the new Montauk is the flip-up aft seats, storage underneath. If you need a casting platform, you can stand on there. JL audio speakers in the cockpit, lots of space, very open. You've got 2 sets of rails, your high rails and your lower grab rail for safety. Very functional in that regard. As we move towards the helm area, you have a live well, large blue line live well, lighted as well. You've got a leaning post with flip down bolsters. As you come up to the helm, we ordered this boat fully equipped. So you've got Raymarine chart plotter, Fusion stereo, smart box for your storage, Ray VHF, Lenco trim tabs, all new gauges for 2019. All your switches, your toggle switches, easily accessible. Of course, this boat is equipped with a T-top with light. Inside the console, you have a pump out head, which we're finding is a very popular feature. Pump out is here. When you pull in the marina, no mess. They clean it out, you're good to go. As we move towards the bow, as you'll also see, new for 2019, the seat backs for the bow seating. Great feature, a lot of comfort, great view from up here. You also see the high bow rail for safety all the way around. We also upgraded this boat with the Yeti cooler. So you've got the cooler seat. So one thing the 21 is known for is being very spacious, very stable, very versatile. You can fish it, you can take the family to the island, you can go to restaurants. It's a do-all boat. Does everything great. Well, that's a look at our 2019 Boston Whaler 210 Montauk. Again, my name is John Wright at MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Our number is 910-256-8100, and we hope to see you soon.